Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to look at is roots mean square splits. We are going to look at the concept of root means square splits and how do we get this root mean square splits. It's easy. So we are going to apply, remember that we have EV from our tradition, we have VB is equal to 1 all over 3 and MU square. So in this case, actually, we are going to make use of the formula. And how are we going to make use subjects of the formula? We cross multiply and divide both sides. So after we now cross multiply, we are now going to have n m u square is equal to the v. We are going to have the vb. Then of course from here can just make use of the formula. So we have u square is equal to 3vb all over n m. Of course, if we have the number of molecules, if our number of molecules is 1, if you have 1 molecule, it means that our n is 1. So therefore, at the end, we are going to have u square, is equal to 3vv all over n. Of course, to make use of the formula, we have to take square both sides, square root both sides. So this one will now take care of this. And then from here, so here is m, it's m not n, because m is 1. So the n is 1. So we have just 3 vv all over m. So therefore now we remove the square. Therefore we now have u is equal to square root of 3vv all over m. And of course, remember that from ideal gas equation, we have V is equal to nRT. Yes, nRT. So we can now remove, sorry, here is m. So we can now remove VB and replace it with nRT. So therefore, at the end, we have U is equal to, square root of 3 RT all over L. So this is the formula for calculating root means square split, although there are so many methods that you can actually use this formula and make a lot of manipulation. Some of this manipulation, remember from the, we said that VV is equal to nRT, VV is equal to nRT. So of course we can now say U is equal to square root of 3 nRT all over M. So of course remember that when we have n over m, n, remember we have density is equal to mass all over volume. So density is equal to mass all over volume. Of course, remember that when we have n is equal to mass all over molar mass. So what do you do here? We can now replace, okay, let me just start with this n first. So we have n is equal to mass all over molar mass. So what do? You can now replace this n with m over molar mass. Therefore, now we have u is equal to square root of 3 mass RT divided by molar mass times mass. So this mass will now take care of this mass. Then at the end, we are going to have U is equal to square root of 3RT all over molar mass. So this is the formula that used in calculating between square speeds. We can actually manipulate it the following ways. Then various equation. Okay. And I think from here we can see, let's just check some examples.